had a large document, a large photograph, a piece of art that you wanted to scan in, but you couldn't? Well, right now we're going to tell you how you can do it. I'm here with Dan Bennett from Contex. Hey, Dan, how you doing?
Very good.
So tell me, we have two different versions of scanners you guys have, wide format. You have an SD model and an HD model. Tell me about the entry level, more the, I think, office document, blueprint type scanner. Let's talk about the SD one first.
Okay, the SD scanner is our very newest scanner. It's a CIS-based scanner. It has optical resolution, very, very high in industry. In fact, the highest in industry of 1200. The scanner allows you to scan color documents, monochrome documents in gray tone. It's best suited for technical documents, that type of thing.
So let's say I do have a large photograph, a piece of art, maybe something mounted on some gator board. Let's talk about the HD model. I think it's extremely technical, high resolution, a lot more options on the HD model.
Correct. The HD model fits in the higher end of our market segment. It's more conducive to scanning thick originals, very fine pieces of art, that type of thing, as well as doing monochrome documents, as doing low-end engineering documents as well. The key with the HD scanner is it's using a CCD-based system. CCDs have the ability to scan very deep, focal length wise. Also at 48 bits, it allows you to see very, very deep into the white space and the black space as well. So it gives you the ability to scan everything from monochrome engineering documents all the way up to literally pieces of fine art.
So with the HD one and with the CCD scanner and the way the lens technology is, you can actually adjust the focus, and the software in the machine will know if I stick a piece of canvas through that's got acrylic on it or some kind of texture. This will be able to figure these things out when I run this through the scanner.
Correct. The differences between CIS and CCD. CCD has a very deep focal length. So if your document is not necessarily resting against the glass plate, CCD is forgiving, it has that deep focal length and allows you to see deep into areas that would typically maybe become less focused on a CIS scanner.
So let's talk about the ease of use in the software. I think the software is very close and very similar between the two models, the SD and the HD. Of course, you can do more things with the HD scanner. You can scan direct to the printer. You can make it like a big photocopy machine if that's what you need it. But let's talk about the software and how this is intuitive and easy to use.
Sure. We recently introduced a new product called Next Image. Next Image is taking the scan-to-file applications, the scan-to-copy, scan-to-email, and combine them into one interface. So you don't have to learn several different applications. If you learn one, you basically can do all. Next Image is supported both in the SD scanners as well as the HD scanners. So again, if you have multiple scanners within your own operation, your company, you can actually very easily understand the technology between both. One other feature I'd like to bring up is the ability to scan to net. Our wide system driver set allows an individual to share a scanner across a broad network, allowing any client to take full control of the scanner and do that remotely.
You know, the thing I want to touch on, as we were chatting earlier, is the level of service that you can get with these scanners. You know, a lot of people buy equipment, they're stuck with it, they can't get it serviced, they have to box it up and send it back to Timbuktu, but you guys have a very unique service agreements going on.
Absolutely. In the United States specifically, we work with two very large service providers, Kodak and Decision One. That effectively puts us with the ability to select from a group of thousands of trained technicians, so that when you buy one of our products, you'll have the ability to have someone come on site, facilitate a repair if that's necessary, as well as we work with a very, very educated dealer channel. Many of those dealers, as a value add to their customers, provide the service themselves. So if you buy the scanner from that particular certified dealer, you'll know that he'll be there to service you as well.
Plus with the HD model, for say, has what, hundreds of thousands of cycles, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. The lifespan of a scanner is very, very long. It's a fairly simple device. There's very few moving parts, and they're extremely reliable with a very low mean time between failure rate. The scanners all come with a 2-year factory warranty. That in the U.S. we convert. If you're buying a scanner outside of the country, all of our distribution partners are required to service what they sell as well. Yeah,
this is really cool, and I think you guys have been the buzz of the show here. So tell me, Dan, where I get more information information on the HD, the HD scanners, and everything you're doing?
We have a very intuitive website, www.contex.com. Feel free to check it out. It's an excellent website. There's a tremendous amount of information. If you have samples that you would like to have scanned, we'll be more than happy to have those, or one of our partners scan them for you. And we have been the leader in the wide format scanning mark segment for many, many years, and we're very, very confident that we have a product that will meet your needs.
Yeah, this is great stuff. Great seeing you guys at the show, and just really great product. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.